This is a real ginger ale. It's naturally carbonated, it's probiotic rich, and bursting with fresh ginger flavor. And the best part is, you can make it right here at home with just handful of ingredients. When you make your own, you control everything. Real ginger, no weird additives, no carbonated water. Instead, you are creating everything natural, probiotic, gut healthy drink. Let's get started.
Here's what you're gonna need. Lots and lots of fresh ginger. You'll also need 1 lemon and 1 lime, because I'm trying to keep that flavor classic. Also, 2 cups of sugar, 1 liter of non-chlorinated water, and of course the magic ingredient, an active ginger bug. We'll get to the ginger bug in a second, but let's start with our ginger syrup. Basically all that's happening over here is we're steeping our ginger with sugar and water. It won't take long. We'll just let it steep for about 5 minutes and turn off our stove. While that's steeping, let's take our ginger bug and strain it to a fine mesh, so that way we have 2/3 cup of ginger bug ready to go. Once our 5 minutes is up though, we will also do the same with our ginger syrup, filtering out all the gingers and straining the content into a suitable container. And I'm going to pause right there to explain something important. See this ginger bug that we strained earlier? We are not going to put it in our ginger syrup just yet. The ginger syrup just came out of the stove and it's still too hot, so we're going to let the syrup cool down and wait until it's down to room temperature.
While that's cooling down, let's go over to our chopping board and juice our lemon and lime.
Now for the moment we've all been waiting for. It's time to add our ginger bug into our ginger syrup now that it has cooled down to room temperature. You know the saying, do as I say, not as I do? Here's a quick reminder to be better prepared. Like me, I got a 1 liter capacity jar, and you guessed it, adding 1 liter of ginger syrup in the 1 liter capacity of jar is not going to fare well when I have to add my lemon lime mixture as well as ginger bug. So I had to go back and get another 1 liter capacity jar, mix everything back and forth until the even distribution has occurred, and now we are finally ready to bottle up.
Put your funnel in the bottle, pour your ginger beer, leave some headroom, and remember, if you have a little bit of sediment, you could use cheesecloth to strain that out, but I'm just going to leave mine. It's just extra ginger, and I like the taste of ginger. Anyways, cap the bottle and leave it at a room temperature for about 3 to 5 days. The ginger bug will ferment the sugars, creating natural carbonation. Strength of the ginger bug can also affect carbonation, so more active ginger bug will create more fizz, while the weaker one may take a little longer. You'll start to see bubbles forming inside as the process works. So once it's fizzy to your liking, move it to the fridge to stop fermentation and chill it, and then you can
Enjoy your gut healthy, probiotic rich ginger ale.
It has a sweet, subtle taste, just like a real ginger ale. However, I have a bonus ginger ale right here. In this, I have chunks of ginger floating in it. So let's see what happens when we open this. Lot more bubbles and activity. So the difference between the two is, one is our traditional one without ginger chunks, the other one has ginger chunks, and this one actually has a little stronger kick, and as you can see, it even had a little bit more carbonation. Kick of ginger is really prominent, so if you like a subtle taste, don't add any ginger piece to it. Incredibly tasty. But if you like a stronger kick, ginger pieces. It changes the flavor profile by making it slightly stronger in kick and more ginger flavor. Nonetheless, I can tell that these two versions are going to be very popular in my household. So now it's your turn to create this or this. As a bonus, I even have this, pamplemousse juice, also known as grapefruit. Incredible. You should try this.